Another simple recipe for busy mom like me. And this time, gagamit po tayo ng slow cooker for barbecue ribs. Siyempre, lilinisin po natin to na maigi. Cut into halves in order for it to fit in the slow cooker. Mamit po ako dito ng 3 tablespoons of minced garlic. Dry. And then, tanggalin nyo rin po yung mga fats. Distribute the garlic, meat, and repeat with the rest. I personally like this brand. I use the barbecue sauce, pour everything inside, and dab it evenly. Cover. Set the slow cooker for high heat and let it cook overnight. Good morning! O, di ba ang dali? My kids love to put it in the oven to caramelize it a little bit. At tama nga naman. Time to taste it! Yum!